Gabbie, you look absolutely beautiful tonight. And Max, I can't say outside of this weekend that I've ever seen you in a collared shirt, let alone a suit, but you're looking sharp as ever.
It feels like the first time, every moment I'm with you.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Matty, the bride's youngest sister. Growing up, I looked up to her in countless ways. She was my biggest role model and biggest supporter. Of course, like any sisters, we had our moments, but as I matured, I realized how much I truly wanted to be like her. Through all the ups and downs life has thrown my way, my sister has been by my side. Whenever I needed her, she was there, no questions asked. I cherished our late-night gossip sessions, our beach adventures filled with laughter, and those epic car jam sessions where we couldn't agree on any songs. Over the years, she's become one of my best friends. I can't wait to make countless more memories as we have so much more of the journey left. This new chapter is an exciting adventure for all of us, and I couldn't be happier for her.
Oh, let's go wherever the wind blows. Fly away where only the stars go.
Max and I have known each other for over 80% of our lives. We became friends back in kindergarten and somehow never had another class together again after that. But that didn't stop us from staying friends. Even now, living 1,000 miles apart, we've stayed just as close. And that's just who Max is. He's loyal, thoughtful, and always puts in the effort to keep his relationships strong.
Oh, when you're next to me, everything stands alone in time.
Today isn't just about a ceremony or a title. It's about a connection. Two souls who have found home in one another. Love at its core is an act of courage. It's saying, I see you completely, and I choose you anyway. Every version, every chapter, every day. And that is what you see when you look at this couple. You see two people deeply devoted, choosing and showing up for each other every day. Max, do you take Gabbie to be your partner in life? Promise to love her, respect her, and stand by her through laughter and tears, through growth and change, choosing her today and always as your wife.
I do.
Gabbie, do you take Max to be your partner in life, promising to love him, respect him, and stand by him through laughter and tears, through growth and change, choosing him today and always as your husband?
I do.
By the love that you share and the promises you've made before all of us, it's my absolute joy and honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I'll never forget the first time I met Max. He was wearing a puffy winter hat, indoors, with t-shirt and shorts. Completely unbothered, just radiating a goofy, lighthearted energy that immediately makes everyone in the room smile. But that is Max, unapologetically himself, funny, and having the wonderful ability to make any situation more joyful.
Let's just run.
When I first met Gabbie, she immediately made a great impression. Funny, kind, and welcoming. You could tell right away that she was special. Now, I haven't been able to spend a bunch of time with them together, but every time I have, it's clear how natural they are together and how happy they make each other.
So let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
Writing this speech has made me realize just how much she means to me. I might have to share her now, but I must admit Max isn't so bad. I'm genuinely thrilled that she's not found someone who cherishes and loves her as much as we do. He fits into our family perfectly, and I'm so happy to call him a brother. So here's to my amazing sister and her wonderful new husband. I'm incredibly proud of you both, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life. I love you both so much, and I wish you an unforgettable night.
So now, if you'll join me in raising a glass to Gabbie and Max.